Okay, guys, we're live. The team I decided to play with is the Bears because they were the worst team in my Broncos save. So let's check them out. Why were they the worst team in the NFL on my save? So we have Brad Maynard. Kick accuracy, kick power, pretty good. Pretty good punter. And this guy is crazy. So we have pretty good punter and kicker. They cost a lot though. That's a problem. 2.4 million for a kicker. Anyways. Strong safety. How much are we paying this guy? He's absolute trash. 5.8 million. Probably philosophy we use, but still. That's a lot of money for a strong safety. We need to get rid of that guy. Mike Brown. Wow, he gets paid a lot of money as well. This is not good. $4.3 million. Ouch. Okay, our cornerback. So we get really good cornerbacks. We got these two. Wow, 4.1 million. Okay, we're seeing the problem here. We have decent team to now, but they just cost way too much. Like, we need to get rid of them. These guys are okay, but they're shit. So Lance Briggs, we what's it called? Franchise tagged him. So he's getting a lot of money, but he's really good. So, and we just love the guy. So I gotta have him. Had him in my Broncos save, gotta have him here. Brian Urlacher is who we got here. Really good, and he's kind of cheap for how good he is. 5 million. Well, not great, but not the worst either. Left outside linebacker. What's the other we have here? Yeah. So that's a weakness in our defense. We have Tommy Harris, which is good. Don't pay him too much, which is nice. Why is he getting so much money? We need to get rid of a lot of people, but people won't get him probably because of salary. 6.3 million is also a lot. He's good, but he's not, that good. Nobody at right tackle. Right guard. He's okay. Trade this guy away, I think. Need to get the salary cap down. Looking at these players. Oh my gosh. 6.7 million. Yeah, we're not gonna have a lot of cap here. Left guard. Okay, left tackle. 6.5 million. Wow. Yeah, I think we need to trade Desmond Clark just because of his salary. We need to get people away from this team. Yeah, so we're gonna keep these guys. Fullback, halfback. Wow. 7.6 million. Ouch. Yeah, we need to get rid of a lot of people here. Hopefully someone will trade us. Okay, let's look at the philosophy team.
I'm Todd McShay, and this is the draft preview. After putting together my mock
so we're gonna
draft,
role
I've
play
got a
it.
good idea of how the first round will play out. Arkansas's star running back is the best player on the board.
Gonna wait
He should be
so we
followed
can
by the
finish.
lineman out of LSU and Virginia, And then if you're looking for a sleeper in the class, keep an eye on the other Arkansas running back. I think he's nearly as talented as his teammate, he has less tread on his tires, and he'll come at a lot better price when negotiating that first deal.
Okay, so we want to role play. So we want to play how this is set up, kinda. So we want to blitz slide, get some zone coverage, and we also have check out this. It is a running philosophy, I think, when I looked at it before I picked the team. This is a pure passer. We're going to use him at. So we're going to have focus on the run game. So we're going to have a workhorse halfback. We have not any really good halfbacks, so we need to get one, but we have a good offensive line compared to our Broncos game. Fullback, blocking fullback, that's normal. Speed, okay, so we need to play with fast people, but the wide receiver will get inflated, like their stats will be pretty high compared to their actual talent, because speed can inflate their overall a lot. But anyways, playmaker, tight end. So we just want big guys here. Yeah. They go through the, yeah. So that's how we're gonna play it. Let's go to the trade section, no, the cap. Okay, let's see the cap. Okay, 50 million. That's the same amount that we had left from our end of the draft free agency in our Broncos game. So, yeah. Okay, trade. The difference is, like, this team is a lot better than the Broncos team I had. But don't have money, and with the Broncos team you have some star players, like you have Cutler and Marshall combination, which is pretty nice. Well, here you have good kickers, like you have good overall, but nothing amazing. Come on, I just hope somebody takes any of these guys. Free safety. Okay, so I really want, have a good quarterback core. This guy, but he's too much money. We need to try to get rid of him. Even this is not a lot. We need to sort of get everything we need because it's so inflated, or we have so much high salaries on this team. But I can't wait to play with this defense. Has to be a lot better even better than the Broncos defense, which we had, but this is a whole nother level. Might trade him. 78. 2.4. Yeah, I think we need to get rid of him. Costs too much money. We just gotta trade the people we get to trade, and I'm not sure who we're gonna be able to get away. Trade for their life. Right tackle, no one. Right guard. Okay, we want to get rid of this guy. So salary. Center. Okay. Left guard. Tackle. 6.5 million. So Desmond Clark. Wide receivers. At least our wide receivers is not very expensive. They're probably shit. It's just their speed. Probably how fast are they? So yeah, if you have 99 and you have speed on, like he just gets automatically good. But that is not better with having 99 speed. Means probably not the best guy. Yeah, we might trade McKinn, that guy as well. Yeah, why not? Okay. And we need to get rid of this guy. Okay. Here. Yeah, just need to get rid of everything. Okay, so our whole team is on trade block. So that, yeah, these guys. Okay, so who we want to get? We're gonna get Jordan Gross as our right tackler, which we were lacking. We're not getting any more free transfers because we don't have money. And then we got to check out in the end of the season on how good players we can get.
Do we want to join this bidding?
Do we want this guy? That's
If you
all
think he's a good
we
fit,
can
coach,
afford.
jump in and make a bid.
Probably can't afford him. Probably. But we're gonna get him regardless. Just such a good player. Oh, I thought I was the
The bidding
Broncos
is
logo
over,
there.
and one team has emerged as the winner in the race to sign one of the off-season's most coveted
let's
free agents.
negotiate.
We'll wait and see if a deal can get done between this difference maker and the Bears.
He's ready to start negotiating, coach.
Negotiations seemed to have broken down last night. It looked hopeless, but I just received word, unexpectedly, that an agreement was finalized at the last
This
possible
is not
minute.
good.
Both sides conceded on key issues to get the deal done, preventing a huge loss for the Bears.
I'm Tony Dungy, and you're
Like,
watching NFL Network.
I need a good halfback because I want to run it a lot and use my offensive line. But the problem is that, or you should probably pick, Darren McFadden and trade for him and trade up. But most value for your money. But I'm gonna try, we're kind of cheating on the draft because it's so hard to not know who the players are in the first draft. So we're not gonna pretend that we don't know. But before the draft, I want to pretend that I don't know who's good. And I would never jeopardize this team on not having a good halfback. Because then we really have no offense. Because we have a bad quarterback, we don't have any good halfbacks. So that's why we're gonna sort of trade away our first picks to get a good halfback. And I want a good strong safety as well. So we're not gonna use the what did I want to say? We're not going to use the thing I forgot. Come on, someone needs to want my players, man. And since we have such a good defense, if we can run it a bit, it'd be nice. Why nobody wants my players? Okay, I'm getting stressed out. Let's see. I don't want to trade, I just want to see what players they want from me. If we want like top-notch players. Let's check out the halfback. So this would, Tomlinson would be the dream. I really want him. It'd be a lot of fun. But we're just gonna check what they wanna. Do you want any of my players? No. Okay. If I'm gonna trade for him, I need my first round picks, right?
The Chicago Bears backed out of trade negotiations earlier this afternoon, citing an extremely high asking price. No word yet if they'll still pursue other trade offers.
I'm Tony Dungy. and you're
Steven
watching
Jackson is just
NFL
for 1 year, but he costs nothing. Should we really? Can we get rid of all these players, maybe? Yeah, that's pretty good. So I might have to go for Steven Jackson and just, you know, get rid of players. Hopefully, but let's check out the strong safety. Okay, do they want any like top-notch players? Down to 88, we'll get a low salary, which we need, but would be nice to have. Okay, so they don't want anything to do with us. 3.6. That's too much, isn't it? What do they want though? Well, that's pretty good if we can get them to take that. Need to get players away and second and third round picks. We can. So let's. I think we're gonna try to get this guy. Can't see anything. Can we take more players somehow? We won't give them overall pick. Okay. So how's our salary cap now? Probably not good. Yeah, we can't afford Tomlinson. So let's see how many players we can trade away.
The Chicago Bears backed out of trade negotiations earlier this afternoon, citing an extremely high asking price. No word yet if they'll still pursue
What am
other
I-
trade
that's-
offers.
I'm Gary
Oh,
Kubiak.
the,
You're watching the NFL Network.
For the draft picks. Okay, so we still have first. We have so little money, so we just want to trade it away and trade. Yeah, we want, you know, sleepers, really. Okay. Come on, please. Take some of my. I think we just gotta trade for. too bad, but I think I just gotta go. Tomlinson is not an option. So how much do I want to trade away Hunter? So we can do this, maybe. Tight end kind of want. Problem is 2009, right? And I need to get away draft picks this year. That's the problem. Wow, I get away so much players there if I get away all these. Really not sure what to do here.
The Chicago Bears have scheduled a press conference for 3 p.m. Eastern to announce a trade that was finalized late this afternoon.
How's our is that a recap now? Okay, so it's good enough for the draft, I think now. Let's look at our what drafts do we have left? Draft picks. Shit, okay, so we had the first round pick still. We don't need it. Can't pay anybody. This is smart. I like rebuilding teams much more than this. It's kind of stressful having to think about all this, the money. Do we have a mock draft somewhere? Mock draft. Okay. So one key Rivers, I think. So we might go pretty early. Or did we get there, McFadden? It's really hard. I'm gonna use the money. Should spend it all. Yeah, let's look at it if we can get someone away. Or get away somebody. Trading him.
The Chiefs and one of the offseason's biggest free agents have agreed on a deal that will be officially announced later today. Fans on the team website are thrilled with the signing, crediting the owner and the GM for the big acquisition. It cost a lot, but right now everyone is extremely excited.
Hi, I'm Mike Holmgren, and you're watching the NFL Network.
Oh, whatever. Accept. Are we going for Tomlinson? Steve Jackson, Tomlinson? pretty good. It's this year. It's draft. One next year's draft. Not enough money. We signed too many players this year.
The Falcons and one of the offseason's biggest free agents have agreed on a deal that will be officially announced later today. Fans on the team website are thrilled with the signing, crediting the owner and the GM for the big acquisition. It cost a lot, but right now everyone is extremely excited.
Hi, I'm Mike Holmgren, and you're watching the NFL Network.
I'm Adam Schefter, and this is your Pro Days update. I just got back from Arkansas, where most scouts and media members met for one last time to get a look at the talent on display. Every player at that Pro Day looked good, and their dynamic running back seems like a lock to be the #1 pick at this point. Another Pro Day that received a lot of attention was the USC workout, of course. Scouts in attendance told me they were very impressed by the Trojans linebackers, but a little less enthused about their quarterback and his accuracy issues.
I'm Norv Turner, and you're watching NFL Network.
I'm Adam Schefter, and this is another draft update. Individual workouts are wrapping up, and teams are starting to get a good idea of what their draft boards look like. Some of the teams in the top 5 brought in Arkansas's running back this week just to make sure he was everything they expected. Don't worry, he was. I'm told Oregon's quarterback was a popular player to work out too. Teams really wanted to find out if he's the real deal or just a flash in the pan. Well, that's all. The next time you see me, it'll be draft day.
Got too many draft picks. gonna accept it. Yeah, almost the same.
The Chicago Bears have scheduled a press conference for 3 p.m. Eastern to announce a trade that was finalized late this afternoon.
I'm Tony Dungy, and you're watching NFL Network.
So we have a pretty decent team already. If you look at defense. We need our outside linebackers. We need a bit better. Don't get a C there. Why? Probably because we're lacking a guy. A lot of A's. We had no A's in our Broncos team. Get a better fullback and quarterback. Okay, that's all for the free transfer series. We're gonna go to the draft next. Okay.